Welcome everyone to the social media etiquettes. So I will talk about very quick 4 pointers on social media etiquette. Number one is when you send the friend request, a follow request, and the request is not accepted, it is okay. If the request is not accepted, it is simply okay. Stay tuned, have patience, and move on. Or if at a certain point you want to withdraw your request, you can. This will not affect your professional relationship. Second is when you send a message, be very clear about the objective. How many times you send a message which has no objective, no meaning? Oh, sir, I want to send you congratulations, you've been promoted. It's a long time, we haven't met. You remember we discussed about a project and we could not proceed with that. Sir, you still in Jalandhar or you are in Delhi NCR. One message, 4 different directions, no one meeting the objective. Keep it simple, buddy. Number 3 is not to tag or use anyone's content, name, personal information, photograph without their permission. Now this is very basic, I know you remember, but sometimes what happens is that we know the person is quite close to us. He's a part of the group, he's part of the friends. Even in that case, I've seen many friends parting ways just because they did the wrong tag. They use the photograph at the wrong timing or the situation, and then they never catch up again. That happens. Do not share any insensitive content on your social media handles. Now this is something that you again already know, but I'll give you a very small example here. One of my business friends, professionally very talented, working in one of the tech companies, he got an offer from an edtech company. He was selected for the final round. He got the offer letter. Everything was all set. It was just one day before his joining, he got the VP sales position. It's a very big position. You know what? Just one day before his joining, the HR of his company who was about to hire him just took out a year ago post of him. You know what was the post? He criticized that company for laying off 500 plus employees in India of no reason. And he has spoken a lot about that company, which he felt later was not required. So you did something a year ago affecting you right now. You know what happened? He was asked not to join the company. And he felt, I don't know who was wrong, who was right, but I'm just sharing with experience. So share any content or put any post, any remark, any reaction. The best thing is take time, think twice, discuss, and then post anything on your social media handles. Thank you so much.